This is Tim here from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable controller support in Steam for your PS5 controller or Xbox or whatever. Just go up to the top left, go to Steam, and go down to Settings. Then go down to Controller. Now you have to have your controller connected, otherwise it's not going to detect it under here. And then you can go to Show Advanced Options right here. So when it's connected, we can just go to Show Advanced Features. And then we got to go on here and pick our controller. So I got a PlayStation controller. Make sure you have this enabled, otherwise it's not going to work in your games. So enabled right there. Then we got enable for the Steam. Looks like Steam input for Switch Pro controller, generic controller. So we might want to turn that one on. Enabled guide button, cord for controllers. I think that's the middle button. And then we have Xbox features right here. So just turn it on for your specific controller and then you should be good to go. And if you don't know how to connect your controller so it shows up in there, go to Settings, go to Bluetooth, go to Add Device, go to Bluetooth, and then put your controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. On the PlayStation controller, you just hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And it should put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode after about 10 seconds. Now, usually I just turn off the controller, otherwise it connects to your computer or PlayStation. So we have to turn it off by holding down the PlayStation button and then press these two buttons down and it should show up under this list. My controller's already connected though, so it's not going to reconnect or show up under this list, I don't believe. But just select it. The Xbox button has a sync button on it. You just press that down and you should be good to go. And once you have it connected to your computer, so I can see my DualSense controller is connected under there, it should show up under the Steam controller list. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.